Low FPS ruining your gameplay? Let's find out the solution. FPS, or frames per second, measures how smooth your game runs. High FPS ensures lag-free gameplay. Low FPS, overheating and outdated graphics cards are common gaming PC problems. Let's have a look at the ways to boost FPS. 1. Upgrade graphics card. 2. Increase RAM. 3. Improve cooling system. 4. Optimize settings. 5. Upgrade to SSD. We deliver expert affordable solutions to optimize your gaming PC. Call us or visit our shop today to boost your FPS and dominate the game.